everyone! To talk about the topic perfect present. To talk about the sometimes that started in the past and that continues in the present. With the present perfect, the verbs are used the corresponding for the verbs to have. As an auxiliary verb in the fourth participle and the main verbs in the third person with he, she, if, the auxiliary is has. In the others is have. Within these further two types of verbs, regular verbs and irregular verbs. In the practice, the student will receive the photocopies and left the affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence. At each one works with the partner and they practice the project of the perfect present, creating dialogues. In the production, the student should find negative sentence and 5 affirmative sentence and 5 interrogative sentence. Using the examples of the copies for this activity, they can use the dictionary. When this process is finished, the student will represent the sentence created by means of the memes. In the assessment, the student will receive a photocopy, sentence that they must complete with verbs in the present perfect. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.